Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can make a group chat on Twitter. So that's a very simple thing to do. You just open up the DM or DM inbox that you can access by tapping at the envelope icon at the bottom. Here it is. Then tap at the blue button containing envelope and a plus sign. Choose what people you would like to attend your group chat. You can choose multiple. So I'll add one of my accounts and then just enter some random digits to see whether somebody has those username. Seems like nobody has it, but whatever. Just add as many people as you want to, or as many people as it is allowed. In order to start this group chat finally created, just type a welcoming message and hit send. And just like so, we have created a group chat already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.